water. I accept the foot in the regular for more energy. I had a energy. And very clear. What we and you so basically it's impressed. So you can tell. We give it this food and recovery. I not 93% people have your power because I took the holiday. 98% of the population have their water science. 2% that didn't happen. Apart from that, the logistics work quite well. FEMA, the Department of Puerto Rico, NGOs, providing hundreds of thousands of pounds of food, supplies, water to the population at large, particularly the areas where I would say, in terms of the grid, electrical grid, also region, which is like 1.6%, which is lower, and Maya Western were the ones that got mostly damage. In terms of water damage, it happened in the mountain region as well as there, because this happened with this hurricane is that even though it's category 1, in terms of water was like category 4. Here in this, we have a very beautiful rain. So that's what happened in a nutshell. Now, what we're doing now is we speak. He's working closely with people because we're in the emergency response stage, quality assistance stage. Your declaration, major disaster declaration, basically gave us 100% for this stage, including individual quality assistance. I am asking for you to accept that 80 days. That's what I have when I have hearing. There's a couple of other tasks. For example, FEMA has former houses. Usually their policy is that they step in when the government of Rico hasn't been able to serve them, even for our video for commodities. So what I'm saying is needed access to that drug. We want to have to work with the NGOs.
All right, folks, we're going to go to remarks. Thank you.
Help us. I don't.